These top-notch cleaning kits have everything you need to keep your firearm in pristine condition. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today we're diving into the top 5 best rifle cleaning kits that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. A clean rifle is a happy rifle. From precision brushes to powerful solvents, these kits will help you maintain peak performance and ensure your rifle is always ready for the next adventure. Let's dive into the world of gun cleaning and discover the perfect kit for you. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is Iunio Rifle Cleaning Kit. The Iunio Rifle Cleaning Kit is a fantastic tool for keeping your firearms in top condition. It's a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to clean and maintain your guns. One of the things I like most about this kit is its durability. The brass jags and slotted tips are built to last, and the cleaning rods are sturdy and reliable. The gun cleaning mat is a great addition at providing a clean and organized workspace for your cleaning tasks. The kit includes a variety of brushes and cleaning patches, allowing you to clean your guns thoroughly and effectively. The oil and cleaner bottles are convenient for storing and applying cleaning solutions. At number 4 is BOOSTEADY Gun Cleaning Kit. The BOOSTEADY Gun Cleaning Kit is a fantastic tool for any gun owner, young or old. It's comprehensive, durable, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this kit is its versatility. It includes everything you need to clean and maintain a variety of firearms, from handguns to rifles and shotguns. The brass construction of the jags and rods ensures durability and prevents damage to your gun's barrel. The convenient case keeps all your cleaning supplies organized and easy to transport. The variety of brushes and cleaning patches allows you to clean every part of your gun thoroughly. The third one on our list is Raiseek Rifle Cleaning Kit. As a young gun enthusiast, keeping your firearm clean and well-maintained is crucial. The BOOSTEADY Gun Cleaning Kit is the perfect tool for the job. It's packed with everything you need to keep your gun in top shape. One of the coolest things about this kit is its versatility. It can clean handguns, shotguns, and even rifles of different calibers. The durable brass construction ensures that the tools won't break or damage your gun. The convenient case keeps everything organized and easy to transport. The variety of brushes and cleaning patches allows you to clean every nook and cranny of your gun. Always follow adult supervision and safety guidelines when handling firearms and cleaning supplies. On number 2 is Allen Cleaning Kit and Toolbox. The Allen Cleaning Kit and Toolbox is a fantastic tool for any gun owner, young or old. It's comprehensive, durable, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this kit is its versatility. It includes everything you need to clean and maintain a variety of firearms, from handguns to rifles and shotguns. The durable toolbox keeps all your cleaning supplies organized and protected. The brass cleaning rods and brushes are high quality and effective at removing dirt and debris. The variety of sizes ensures that you have the right tools for the job. The muzzle guards help to protect your gun's barrel, and the cleaning patches are perfect for cleaning the bore. The oil and solvent bottles allow you to keep your gun lubricated and protected from rust. Now moving to the last one is GuardTechPlus Cleaning Kit Rifle. The GuardTechPlus Gun Cleaning Kit is a fantastic tool for any gun owner, young or old. It's comprehensive, durable, and easy to use. One of the things I like most about this kit is its versatility. It includes everything you need to clean and maintain a variety of firearms, from handguns to rifles and shotguns. The durable brass construction of the jags and rods ensures that they will last for years to come. The convenient case keeps all your cleaning supplies organized and easy to transport. The variety of brushes and cleaning patches allows you to clean every part of your gun thoroughly. Overall, the GuardTechPlus Gun Cleaning Kit is a great investment for any gun owner. It's a high-quality, comprehensive kit that will help you keep your firearms in top condition. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best rifle cleaning kits. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.